Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kay here. Today I stopped looking like a potato.
She not bad and bougie. She wanna drink on Tuesday. Shawty sipping on a Bombay. A long way from coolin'. She not bad and bougie. She wanna drink on Tuesday.
Let me tell you, I can't even tell you what's going under my head, underneath my bonnet, because it's a sad story. But I'm going to pay a visit to Ramule. Although I hate going there because she always tries to fry my hair off. But what choice do I have? I need to stop looking like a potato. Okay, I still look finished. Sashilad. Like, Mom, I don't know. I still look sashilad. But now we're on the way to go fix this mess that is my head. At least this time it didn't come out looking like Dora the Explorer. So, you know, it's fine.
I know you say that you love me, don't think that you do. I know sometimes
Good morning. It's the next day. We did my hair up to like midnight, and let me tell you, I was tired. The person doing my hair was tired. Everyone was tired. So I look a little crazy right now because we're not done with any of this stuff. Otherwise, last night I had this pounding headache, and I haven't had a headache from doing braids in ages. Like literally, like Nyemba's always like, when I get my braids done, I can't tie my hair up for like 2 days. But I've never been the type to get a headache. I don't know. My head's not that tender. But yesterday I got this killer headache. Like my head was pounding, and it just made me generally sick. So I just was like, you know what, I need to sleep. So I popped a Panadol and I slept. I'm saying that like it's a drug that's heavy. Anyways, took Panadol and hit the hay stack, whatever. I went to sleep, okay? So we're gonna finish doing my hair in the afternoon or something like that. I just really want to be done so I can stop looking like a crazy woman.
Want no love song. Rolling up a split to get our drugs on. Then you let me hit it with no glove on. Pull up in a brand new coupe. Shawty ain't got no top. Car ain't got no roof. Saying I did you bad. Shawty ain't got no proof. 50 say take me back. Gotta keep it day by 2. Pop say it's on time. Liquor in your walk time. Smoking vapors in your walk time. And you hate it when I rush you. You just wanna take your walk time.
Oh my gosh, I look cute. I look cute and it's on period. What up, y'all? It's been a few days since I got my hair done. Okay, this is gonna really irritate me. I have a bunch of folders on the chair with me. So anyways, what was I gonna say? Oh, I got my hair done a few days ago. Haven't picked up a camera since then. And I realized because I time-lapsed the footage, it's probably like less than a minute long altogether. Maybe 2 minutes if we're pushing it. And I can't upload a 2-minute vlog. It's not fair to you. It's not fair to me. So right now I'm looking like a bootleg French girl. I wanted to play some NG Poppy, but my speaker is dead. See what happens when you start fighting? My thing came off as well. Crap. See. Tell me I can't be the only one who loses these things. I get some and I lose them all the time. I don't know how many I've bought in Livingston that just go missing. They just disappear. I don't know. So I wonder how long I'm gonna keep this one. I better keep it. I can't lose it. This one's important. Otherwise, let's go on a little, you know. Let me tell you, these braids, my brain, I could not... I couldn't function. Do you get headaches when you do your braids? Because I don't get headaches when I do my braids. But let me tell you, I couldn't breathe. I could not function. My head was pounding like someone had an issue with me and they went to 10 different sangomas and they said her. Like, what the frick? I was in pain. I literally spent the majority of the day after I finished doing my braids sleeping because I could not fathom. And like the thing is like, I couldn't feel the pain when my braids were just chilling because normally if your braids hurt you're gonna feel it even when it's down. So I went to bath and I had my hair up for no more than 10 minutes. No more than 10 minutes. And the headache that came after that was just insane. So bathing has been a tactic recently. How to figure out how to tie my hair, not get it wet and bath. Very interesting, not gonna lie. Anyways, I have to pack a lot of my clothes. I have to clean my room because it's in shambles. Can't even show you, it's bad. So right now let's go pack my clothes because they're consuming Nyumba's bed and they need to find a home. Okay, the sun's very direct, nothing I can do, but I know I always complain, or not that I complain, but I always say that I need more clothes. And looking at the clothes, it seems like I have a lot of clothes, but then I realized like I have a lot of shirts and dresses and stuff, but I need to invest more in like jeans, skirts and such things. But I have clothes, but I don't have clothes, if you understand what I mean. Like, I have clothes, but I don't have clothes at the same time. Anyways, whatever, let's move on. So I have no idea where the extra hangers are, so I'm kind of stuck. Only thing left are these dresses. Don't even know who the owner is. They might be mine, so I need to ask my mom if they're mine. And I have a few shirts that could go on hangers, but otherwise the bed is pretty much clear, so I feel accomplished. I'm so out of breath, like I've done something like big. Also, my folding style, very bad, but so long as they're folded, whatever. My skin is taking the actual literal piss and trying to disrespect me. So we're going to go out into the garden to get some tambusha, aka aloe vera, because my skin needs it. If I apply tambusha for like a few days straight, my skin just acts good. So yeah, I'm kind of really tired of it right now and I need some therapy. On today's episode of the Mandem Miss Soccer. How are you doing today? How are you doing? I'm gonna come play with you, we'll see. We are making our way to the garden to get tambusha. I have a knife in my hand. Ho 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 ho, why am I so exposed? Ho ho ho. It's fun. Here we go. Tambusha in abundance. All of this is tambusha. Yay. I don't know. These are all like different types of tambusha plant, but pretty much they're all the same, isn't it? But I like getting this one. But this one, they look a little malnourished. Like, what is going on? Why are you drooping, sir? So I don't know. I'm just probably gonna look. Although I don't like going deep into the bush because I'm scared. But oh gosh, I see some there. You see them? I see some there, but that's very far away from me, but those look really healthy. No, this one seems like it's doing a good job. I'm gonna get this one or this one of them. The sun is shining, but I don't look cute enough for pictures. But like, come on, look at this, look at this. I don't know, am I cute enough for the gram? My stupid self was chatting with the microphone the other way. Anyways, I was basically saying I don't know if I'm cute enough for pictures today, but like the sun is doing bits, but I know it will be here tomorrow, so I can look cute tomorrow. But the sun is really doing its thing, and maybe tomorrow my skin will be on better wavelength. I don't know. Anyways, I don't even feel enthusiastic. I was so enthusiastic the first time, but now like didn't turn the mic. I'm stupid. I actually am. Jeez. If you ask me how we got here with half of my bed sheets off, I wouldn't know what to tell you. I don't know how we got here. One day I was sleeping, one day all of my blankets were basically off the bed. Yay. So, I feel so bad. I did not shut up about wanting metal straws, and I finally got metal straws, and guess what? I haven't used them, not even once. But I have to, but I feel like it's because I'm at home, and like, why am I using a straw at home? Like, I'm not really drinking anything that requires a straw, you know what I mean? So, I need outside to open back up. So I can take my metal straw with me wherever I go, so I can be like, no, I'm good, saving the turtles. So my Bible is right in front of me because it's on the table, right? So I have one verse which I love, love, love. It's John 10 verse 10. You know, the devil comes only in order to steal, kill, and destroy, but I have come in order to give you life, and life in all its fullness. That one. So tell me, what are your favorite Bible verses? Like, that's definitely one of my favorites, if not my favorite. So cliche though, but like, it really hits me whenever I'm just like, you know, going through it. It's like, listen. Or when you're facing temptations, like, listen. The devil comes only in order to steal, kill, and destroy. So it reminds you. But like, what are some of your favorite verses? I was watching Yim's thing like the other day, although not the other day, it was like a while of days ago, but you know, who even knows anymore? It was the other day. There were some verses that were brought up there, but the live didn't save. She said she would post them, but she hasn't. So, mami, what's happening? I'm going live on my second Instagram account because I'm really bored, and I'm going live on the second one because less people follow that one, so less people to embarrass myself in front of. Oh, we're live. Yay. I'm probably gonna end it in like 2 seconds, but it's fine. I need a filter. I'm too not cute for this. Ooh, the filters aren't doing me well. I'm looking for a filter because I don't look cute. Anyways, I'm filming right now, you see? I'm filming. How do I switch this? Wow, I'm really old. I'm filming and I'm really bored, so I decided to hop on live. If anyone wants to keep me company, you can join. It's nighttime now. I am in the kitchen about to make gravy for what? For the fish that mom bought. So we need gravy for that. So I'm about to make it. Yay. I honestly have no energy. I just want to sleep. Like, I don't even know. I've done nothing important today, but I just want to sleep. It's kind of sad. Okay, I don't know if there's much more that can come out of this vlog, but thank you for watching me get my hair done. Also, if you're wondering, it was my aunt's helper who did my hair, so it's not like an official place I can send you to or recommend, but you know, if you want to do it, that's who did my hair. I miss my OG girl though, Eliza. I miss you, my G. But you know, it's fine. At the end of the day, I'm still looking cute. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Also, follow me on Instagram because I post some fire on there from time to time. I realized I post mostly at the beginning and end of the month. Sometimes in between, but mostly at least, you know. But yeah, go follow me on the gram and everywhere else. Okay, bye.
Came in and I took your shawty like a